Away they go. Landed Visa from the outside. Moving up by the rail is the favorite Euromax. Under further outside is Perfect Pass. Then comes Dynamic Love, Hot Gossip. And under further outside is Hannah's Gold, Hot Gossip by the rail. IC Dragon. In between runners, Mike's Dancer, Blue Chic, Danori inside. Landed Visa. And runner number 1, Live in Manila, is running at the tail of the field. Perfect Pass, Dynamic Love, Euromax, Hannah's Gold on the further outside by the rally IZ Dragon and Mike's Dancer. And rounding the far turn, Perfect Pass by the rally IZ Dragon, Euromax is on the outside. On the further outside, Hannah's Gold as they race the final corner. IC Dragon, Perfect Pass, Euromax on the further outside. Dynamic Love down on the inside is Live in Manila. And nearing the finish line, Euromax rushing up now to grab the lead, this time by about 3 lengths, followed by Perfect Pass, Hannah's Gold. And finally, Euromax second. Close. Perfect Pass, Dynamic Love, Hannah's Gold. Down on the inside is Blue Chic.